What's up YouTube? Welcome to Good Trips Only's channel. My name's Tyler. In this video we're going to be going over 3 important tips to help out if you cannot get your SYX Moto started. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any new videos. We got a giveaway coming out very shortly for you guys. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video because I got 2 hidden tips that I'm going to be putting in there at the end of the video, so stick around to the end. We're on the way to my mom's house right now, which is where we keep my SYX 50cc moto, or my son's. He's in the back. We're going to be also going over the training wheels and assembly for that as well. But I will see you when we get to the garage. Alright guys, we're over at the garage now. I got the SYX Moto pulled out for us. We're going to go ahead and go over the 3 tips that I recommend for you to help troubleshoot your bike if you can't get it started. Make sure you guys are sticking around to the end because I got 2 more tips to help prevent this from happening in the future. So yeah, let's hop onto the bike. Alright guys, we're out here on the SYX Moto. Sitting here, gonna admire it for a little second. We've had it for about a year now. Nothing has broke on this bike. I honestly love the bike. You cannot beat it for the price. You can grab this bike on syxmoto.com or their Amazon page. I'll have both of the links in the description. If any parts has broke on your bike, you can go also onto their website, go up to their navigation bar, and go to like the parts and accessories, and you'll be able to find for a good price. They have basically every part that you can get for this bike if anything is broke. I do want to take a second and look at this second SYX Moto that has been sent to us from syxmoto.com. I really want to thank them and appreciate that. They enjoyed our first video that we put out and saw all the great feedback that we got from you guys, so I really appreciate that. I'm going to be giving this away to one of you lucky subscribers when I hit, I believe 1,500 subscribers is going to be what I do this at. I'll have all the details on that when I put that video out, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn the notification bell on so you can see when that video drops. We'll take a quick sneak peek at it real fast. It is the nice, beautiful green, Kawasaki green bike. Oh man, it's gonna be nice. No more. All right guys, so let's get to the tips. First tip I got for you: come over here and check the gasoline. You want to make sure that you have gasoline in there. Sounds like a silly tip, but you'd be surprised how often people do not have gas in their gas tank and think that their bike is not working. So we do have gasoline in there. I recommend using 91, 93 premium gasoline. You do have to mix it 20 to 25 to 1 ratio with 2-stroke oil. But yeah, tip number 2, you're gonna make sure your fuel line is on into the carburetor. Right here, you want it to be up and down, vertical, not horizontal, right? Also check your choke, make sure that is up, and then give it a couple fire ups. If it doesn't work still, come down, and we're gonna go ahead and do tip number 3. Tip number 3 sounds a little disgusting, but man, I can promise you that this tip has worked every time for us, no problem. What you're gonna wanna do is come down under the carburetor, take a look at this hose right here. You have a little hose that comes out of the carburetor. You're gonna put your mouth on that, blow into it very hard, and then that is gonna clear up that jet fuel for you so that the fuel can get to the carburetor. And yeah, let's go ahead and show you how that's done. All right, come right here. Only takes 2 seconds. It's not that nasty. Wipe your lip off. Be a big boy about it, right? Alrighty. Tip number 4. This is a hidden tip for you guys that I wanted to give at the end. Tip number 4, to prevent this from happening so you don't have to do this in the future. Just make sure before you guys are done riding for the day, turn this off. Don't turn the engine off yet. Turn that off. Let the engine turn off by itself. Don't use your kill valve. It'll take about 30 seconds to a minute and it'll burn out all that fuel that is in that carburetor. That will solve that problem for you, and in the future you probably will not have to do that. So yeah. Okay guys, and I now have the final tip for you, tip number 5, and that is to have fun and be safe while riding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like up button. Subscribe, turn the notification bell on. We are going to be giving away this beautiful Kawasaki green bike you don't want to miss out on. So until next time, see ya.